In this video, we will see dry run of the code. Now let's quickly check out the dry run of this code. So basically, this is my matrix. Okay, this is my matrix and this is my rotated matrix. Okay, I want to basically convert this matrix to this one. Let me quickly write indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I am just taking this blank matrix to understand you how this is swapping is happening. Okay, so we have n equals to matrix dot length. So what is n here? That is 4 cross 4. So n is 4 here. Okay, and I will start from 0. So I pointer is starting from 0 and j pointer will start from I, right? So j pointer will start from also 0. Okay, and I will go till met dot floor dot length. So 0 to n by 2. What is n by 2? That will be 2. So it is I is less than n by 2. Remember, less than n by 2. That is, I will say less than 2. Okay, and j will be go from 0 to n minus I minus 1. What is I? If I is 0, so j will go less than n minus 1. Okay, so let's see. We have started, right? We have now here temp will stored. Let me store something in temp. Temp will store matrix I comma j. So temp will store 5. Okay. Now I will say matrix I comma j will become matrix n minus j minus 1 comma I. So what is n minus j minus 1? So let me use something so that we can get these terms very easily. Let me make this small a bit. Yes. So I want I comma j should be replaced to n minus j minus 1 comma I, right? If I put an I and j value, it will be 0 comma 0 to that is n. 4 minus j is also 0. 4 minus 1 comma 0, right? That will be 3 comma 0, right? So here in 0 comma 0, I want to place 3 comma 0 element. That is means I want to store the 15 here, right? So I will store 15 here. Then n minus j minus 1 comma I, that means this 15, right? 3 comma 0 will be stored with n minus 1, I minus 1 and n minus j minus 1, right? If I put I and j value, that is 0 comma 0, it will be this element, that is 16. So basically what I will do, I will in the next step, okay, I will say that uh, in this position, right, this code in this position is stored 16. So I will store 16, right? Now n minus I minus j, n minus j minus 1, that is this position, 16 store the jth and n minus I minus 1, j0 I0, that means 0 comma n minus 1. Okay, 0 comma n minus 1, that is 0 comma 3, right? That means here I need to store 11, right? So I will store here 11. Okay, once this is done, in j comma n minus I minus 1, that means j comma 0 comma n minus 1, that is 0 comma 3, this position, this store the temp. What is stored in temp? Temp is stored with 5. So I will store 5 to here. So 5 will be here. This is done. Similarly, now once this is done, j will be again j plus plus, right? So now j started from 0, now it will become 1, right? So my j pointer will be here somehow, right? 0 now I is equals to 0, but j is equals to now 1. Okay, and now put values. Okay, now put values. So let's me create these terms so that we can quickly understand what are the available terms. We have I comma j. Okay, then we have n minus j minus 1 comma I. Then we have n minus I minus 1, n minus j minus 1. Then we have j comma n minus I minus 1, j comma n minus I minus 1. Yeah, these are the 4 elements and 4 types. And if I put I comma I is equal to 0 comma 1, so it will become 0 comma 1. It will become n minus 2 comma 0. It will become n minus 1 comma n minus 2. This will become 1 comma n minus 1, right? So what I want temp to be stored I comma j. What is I comma j? 0 comma 1. That means 1. So temp will store 1. Now what I want I comma j will be replaced by n minus j minus 1 comma I. What is n minus j minus 1 comma I? That is n minus 2 comma 0. If I put n value, that is 4. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 comma 0. What is 2 comma 0? This is 2 comma 0, right? Second row, 0th column 2 comma 0. So this thing 1 should be replaced by 13, right? 1 is stored in temp. Now n minus I minus n minus j minus 1 comma I should be replaced by n minus I minus 1 and n minus j minus 1. What is this one? N minus 1 and n minus 2. That means if I put the value of n, so it will be 4 minus 1, 3 comma 2. What is 3 comma 2? 3 comma 2, that is 12. So I want this to be replaced by 12, right? Similarly, here this 12 I want to replace by 10. So I want to replace by 10, and this 10, this jth, that is 1 comma n minus 1, right? So 1 comma 3, right? If you put the value, it will be 1 comma 3, 4 minus 1. That I want to replace by temp. What is temp? Temp is 1. So I will replace by 1. Similarly, now j will be at 2, right? J will be at 2. Again, this will start, right? My j instead of 1, it will be 2, right? If I put the value, it will be 0 comma 2. That means my j pointer will be here. Will be replaced by n minus j minus 1. This will become n minus 3, right? So n is 4. 4 minus 3, that will become 1. So this 9 will be replaced by 2, right? Similarly, what I will do, once this 9 is replaced by 2, so what 2 will replaced by? So 2 will replace by this 14. 14 will go here. So this will replace by 14. Once this is replaced, so 14 will replaced by 14 will be replaced by the number 7s here. So it will replace by 7. And now once this is done, so 7 will replace by the temp that we have stored, that is temp. In the temp we have stored 9, so it will replace by 9. All these things are filled up, and your j is 2, right? And n minus 1 will be 3. So j, right, this is done. Once j is 3, so this loop will break, right? Because j is 3 and j should be less than 3, right? So again, this loop I will be doing I plus plus, and now I value will be from 0 to 1. So I 1 and j will be I. So j will also be 1. So here I and j now both will be 1 comma 1 here. Again, if we apply the same thing, right? So this thing will replace the, right? It will replace by 3. 3 will come here. 6 will come here. 3. 8 will come here. Like this. And 4 will come. And this is how it rotated by 90 degrees. Right? So this is the basically pseudo code of it, how you can apply it. Similarly, in the same way, you can apply the second approach, that is transpose of the matrix and then reverse the rows. Okay. And what will the time complexity of this approach? Again, we have already discussed the time complexity of this approach will be, we go of n square, and space complexity will be, we go of 1. Okay. Yeah, this will be our approach. We'll see you in the next video.